Friend.Tech is the hottest viral crypto app right now. It allows anybody to buy and sell shares of your favorite X/Twitter accounts. People are making crazy amounts of Ethereum, making profiles on this app. I've made over 1 Ethereum so far. I've only had it a few days by people buying and selling shares of my profile. And the shares that I bought into are now worth over 20 ETH. This is the definitive video, how to create a Friend.Tech account, how to bridge onto Ethereum's L2 base, everything you need to know on how to make money on this thing. Save this video, send it to a friend. This video is all you need. Take 2 seconds, like the video if you appreciate this. On Friend.Tech, you earn money in 2 ways. Number 1, buying shares of people you like and selling them for a profit, similar to trading tokens, in this case, social tokens. Number 2, if you're a content creator on this app, if you have a profile, you get a 50% fee share with the platform. So the app charges a 10% fee for all trades. 50% of that, so 5%, goes directly into your wallet, and this can really add up and put some money in your pocket. Why would somebody want to buy a share of somebody on Twitter though? Because you get direct access to a private chat with them. Friend.Tech is literally a marketplace for your friends. Owning shares gives you access to private chats with the person whose shares you own. They can send out a message which every holder will see, and they can see all holders' messages to them. However, holders can't see each other's messages at this point. Only the content creator themselves. We'll see how functionality on this app develops though. Imagine buying a share of Elon Musk, imagine buying a share of Andrew Tate, Olivia Rodrigo, or Taylor Swift, having direct access to a private chat with them. How much would that be worth? To some, invaluable. A lot of money. For instance, just the other day, I bought a share of popular music artist Blau. He's dropping exclusive, unreleased content that he's still working on just for people in his private chat. If you buy a share of my account, Altcoin Daily IO, just like my Twitter handle, you get direct access to me. You can suggest content for the channel. You can tell me what coins you want me to research. You can ask me a direct question. So, you should create an account and try this out. Let's get into it. How do I create a Friend.Tech account? Friend.Tech is on Coinbase's Ethereum Layer 2 base. So you're going to need some Base Ethereum. It's not hard. I'm going to show you how right now. Step 1, get some Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum on Coinbase, BitGet, Binance, Kraken, anywhere where Ethereum is sold. Feel free to use my BitGet or Coinbase links below. Step 2, you need to bridge that Ethereum to become Base Ethereum, the Layer 2. There are different ways you can bridge. You can use a bridge service, something like Synapse Protocol, or I find a very easy way to do this is download Coinbase's hot wallet, basically their version of MetaMask. I like it for this because Coinbase makes bridging to Base very easy. Step 3, transfer that Ethereum, wherever you got it, into your Coinbase hot wallet. Step 4, click bridge. Step 5, make sure everything's correct, Ethereum to Base, put the correct amount of Base Ethereum you want to have. You only need like $20 or less to set up a profile for Friend.Tech, but if you want to buy other people's shares, you're going to need as much Base Ethereum as that takes. Click Next, click Bridge. Step 6, get ready to send that Base Ethereum from your wallet into the Friend.Tech app. Let me show you how to set up the Friend.Tech app. So the Friend.Tech app is in beta right now, so you're going to need an invite code to get on. Either ask a friend who just created a Friend.Tech account, who just received a fresh set of invite codes, or I find searching Friend.Tech invite codes on Twitter on the latest tab, you can get one. People want to shill their invite codes to you, so they get points for the Friend.Tech airdrop. So get the code, get on your phone, type in Friend.Tech. It's going to ask you to add the icon to your home screen. Do it. From there, you'll be able to access the app. Send Base Ethereum from your wallet to the Friend.Tech app wallet. You get to mint your first share of yourself basically for free, and you can now start buying into other people's account shares. Again, people trade your shares and make a percentage commission from those trades, from fees. So far, I've earned a little over 3 ETH, CryptoKaleo says. Some of the highest volume traded accounts, like Kobe, have earned over 40 ETH. By the way, these numbers are probably much more now. If you're a trader and you want to dig into the charts and try and find an edge buying and selling shares of various accounts, I like friendmax.com. It's a great free tool to help you do that. Here are my shares charted since inception, send it to new highs with haste. One of the most promising upside features from the app is that they're airdropping points to you for being active on the app. They have yet to reveal what the points will get you. Here are my points so far from being active. If you prefer a desktop version of this app, these are instructions on how to access the interface on your desktop. I got this info from buying shares into some of my favorite accounts. Bookmark this video for when you're ready to set up your profile. This app is only a couple weeks old, still in beta, so I think there's plenty of risk-reward upside. Like this video if you got value today, send it to a friend, post on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Altcoin Daily. We post a video on crypto every day. Stay informed by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and make sure you buy a share of me, Altcoin Daily IO. Same exact username as my X/Twitter account. See you in my private chat where I'll be dropping more crypto alpha.